Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you all steering wheel's buttons functions. In the beginning, let's start with the left side of the steering wheel, and right here we've got buttons like configuration, volume plus, volume minus or mute. Of course, volume plus is for radio, volume minus as well, and with this button we can mute the radio or unmute it. Then we've got this button we can roll, and thanks to that we can navigate through speedometer display. Next, let's go to the right side of the steering wheel, and on this button we can change radio station, enter source menu, enter settings, and enter list of all radio stations available. Okay, next we've got the bottom buttons on the steering wheel, and thanks to them we can manage speed limiter and cruise control. For example, we can turn on speed limiter, cruise control, we can add kilometers, pause it, or turn it off. And of course, if you press this button right here, you'll use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.